What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today I'm going to be showing you the top ship G wireless fast charger on Amazon. Let's get into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
Okay, so before the video guys starts, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, turn on notifications, and leave a like on this video, and let's get into it. Okay, so guys, here's the wireless charger itself. This is wireless charger here. No more cables, just drop and charge. As you can see, compatible with Qi standards, so this basically works with any wireless charging phone. Mostly Androids have wireless charging right now. Usually depends, it has a glass back. The iPhone 8 and iPhone 10 have this, so it'll work for this as well. And this also says it comes with fast charging. Let's see what we get on the back. I think it has a 5-watt output, maybe 5 volts. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is made in China, so let's get into it. And also, I don't know if you guys know this, but this comes with this thing right here, which is like a phone holder. This thing like sticks to a surface, like you can put this on your car or wall and you can stick your phone onto it. So comes with this included. It's pretty cool. Just a bonus if you're buying this. So here it is itself. A very simple packaging. Micro USB cable to plug it in and charge. That's included, but no wall adapter. Just keep that in mind. So you're gonna have to have your own. And then you have the pad itself. Pretty decent size. I bought another one, and this is much bigger than the previous one I've had, so I might actually use this. Wireless charger. I got the red and black edition, so this goes for around 15 bucks on Amazon. If you want to go pick this up, I'll put the link in the description. It says fast charge. So yeah, here is the manual. I'm not going to read this, but long manual. 98 millimeters and 6.3 millimeters, or 6.5, I'm sorry, in thickness. So yeah, it's a different language, but here's the product specs. If you guys want to take a look at these. There you go. So yeah, you can use this basically. Where's the charging? Yep, here's the port right here where you plug the micro USB in. That's cool. So I'm probably going to use this for my G6, my LG phone, because it has wireless charging built in. So that's a plus. Feels pretty sturdy, good cable, pretty long in length. So yeah, guys, got this charger, got this included. So I'd probably go pick this up since this is fast charging. A lot of wireless chargers don't have this. Make sure to get fast charging, just because it can take absolutely forever to charge your phone sometimes. So definitely feels good quality. I like the red finish. Overall, pretty basic wireless charger. Go pick it up. It's a cheap price, and it's also fast charging. So I'll see you guys in the next one. And make sure to subscribe if you're new, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, do all that good stuff, and peace.
Torn off for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes link a feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.